So this video shows us building some floating shelves for our bathroom upstairs. Basically, we needed a better saw, so do everything we did, but have the right tool. So the first thing we did is we measured our wall above the toilet, and made sure our marks were level so that we knew where to cut. And we cut our big board. A little janky, but it worked. We sanded it down to make it smooth, fixed a couple of our little mistakes from our cutting. We checked to make sure it was going to fit. We did this a couple times, and we take it back downstairs and sand it down and bring it back up, make sure it fit. Once we got the fit good, we drilled holes into the board for the posts to go in, and then we routered out a little square so that the hardware sits flush. We drilled the hardware into the studs and tested the shelf again to make sure we got our holes in the right place. We slid that on. Then we did the stain. I don't really know what I'm doing, but it turned out okay. We got all the little holes filled in, and I think the color turned out pretty, so. Here's the finished product, and all my humidity plants have a home now, so it's really great. Thanks for watching.